Hi, today let's make simple and easy restaurant style Paneer Makhani recipe. First you need to boil all the ingredients which is on the screen. Chop everything and put it into a pot with water and boil it. Once it's boiled and cooled down, make it into a smooth paste like this and keep it aside. Now you need to make another paste adding yogurt. Again, all the spices are in the screen above. You need to add all the spices along with the yogurt and give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now let's start making the gravy. Once this is ready, it's quick to make. In a kadai, add in oil and then add in some butter because it's makhni. Then add in some cumin seeds and add the paste which you have made it in the blender of tomatoes and onions and give it a good mix. Be careful, the gravy will splatter. Then add in the yogurt mixture and give both the ingredients and both the gravy a really very good mix. Cover it with the lid for 5 minutes and again give it a good toss. Once the gravy is boiled really very well, add in salt and then add in fresh paneer. Some people like to fry it, some people just put the fresh. It's completely up to your choice. I'm adding in fresh paneer and again let's give it a good mix. See how much ever you need and then you can add the paneer. Once the paneer is added, give it a good mix. Let the paneer take in all the lovely flavors of the gravy and yeah, give it a good mix. Once you feel the paneer has boiled really very well, next I'm adding in some crushed kasuri methi to enhance the flavor of paneer makhani. Next I'm adding in some fresh cream. Once you add the fresh cream, again give this gravy a really very good mix and then finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, add in some more fresh cream and here your tasty paneer makhani is ready to serve. You can have it with jeera rice, naan, roti. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.